I feel like I'm giving you guys a real big sneak peek filming here, but it's the only place I can film without showing you guys my whole room. Hey guys, it's G and welcome back to episode 2 of my room makeover. Now in this episode we are painting my room. We do a cheeky Ikea trip, buy some like little homeware bits and a few other bits and bobs. So without any further ado, let's get on into episode 2 of my room makeover. Alright, so let's talk paint. Now, a few days ago we actually started painting my room. This room that I'm currently sat in right now has actually got no furniture in, so we've stripped it. And my mum has already started painting this room that I'm in now. This is the only wall I can film against because I don't want to spoil it for anyone. But look how beautiful this wall is. I'm obsessed with this colour. The mum has already started painting and I did vlog it. So I'm going to quickly put in some clips of my mum painting my living area bit. So today is day 1 of painting. So mum is actually going to start painting this wall. So that is already done for me. So I can start filming against it. We're going to do this in sections just because it is quite a big room. But yeah. Grey wall, and that's the painted beige one. Look at the difference.
Give it loads of splashback. No, we like splashback.
That's what's in your toilet, huh?
No, yours.
Such a good band.
You would?
So mum has painted and glossed, as you would have seen. The only room that we have left to completely paint is my bedroom. That's like for another whole day, but we're hoping to finish this room within the next week or 2, which is amazing. My room is already coming together so much, but I'm currently sat in my living room with no furniture in it, which feels weird, but I'm not that bothered because I know at the end of it it's going to look beautiful. So we did actually pop to Ikea to get a few bits. Obviously, I'm going to be going to Ikea to get a few plants, but I did pick up a lamp as well. Wait, Mum. What? So, this is the lamp. Now, I was going to get another one, but this one looks the nicest. And it's actually cheaper. It's like one of these retro matte black lamps, and it's really cute. I actually love it. Also, this lamp goes up and down as well, which the other lamp that I was originally going to get didn't. So this goes up and down, it tilts, and it's got a white light bulb, which is what I like more than the yellowy warm light. So this baby is coming home with me. Ikea was because I wanted to get a chair, and the chair that I wanted was out of stock. I was so gutted because it's like the chair that I've had my eye on. I love it so much. The style of it was perfect. So as I was hoping and waiting for the chair to come back in stock, any place that sold furniture, I went on that website to try and find a beautiful like little armchair for my room, because we're currently selling my grey one, because I just don't want any more like grey in my room. I'm trying to get rid of that. I want it really neutral and bright with the pop of black. So I ended up going on the range, not expecting anything, and I found the most beautiful chair, which I couldn't believe. Like when I saw it, I was like, what the hell? It is perfect. It goes to my room so much, and it's got like the black accents to it, and the shape of it is perfect. So I ordered it. It was meant to come at the end of May. 28th of May was the day it was going to be delivered. It arrived today, this morning. So I'll put in a clip now of me like showing you guys the box, but I'm not going to show you the chair completely, just because I want it to be a complete surprise. So oh my god, so guess what just arrived today, and it wasn't even meant to come until the end of May. It's my new chair. Now, I'm not going to show it you right now because I want to leave it as a surprise so you guys won't know what to expect. But let me know in the comments as you're watching this, what colour chair do you think I've got? Did I get black? Did I get cream? Let me know. They were the two colours that I was torn between, and I'm really interested to see what you guys think. She is in that box. We're going to get her open and pop her in my room. All I really need to get now is a few little cushions for my bed, and obviously the chair that I've bought. I've bought a new plant pot, which was also from the range. A matte black metal pot, which looks beautiful. It's like a really long one. That's got pampas grass in it. So that's like kind of like what I'm doing to tie everything in. I'm trying to think what else. I don't need that much. I've kind of like got everything that I need. I don't need a lot of things, but I just wanted to kind of give the pieces what I've already got, like that little glow up. I do really want to try and get a rug. Really want to try and get a like cream rug, because currently the rug that I've got at the minute is like a charcoal, but I don't know, it's just a bit of a weird colour. Maybe that's because it's against my other grey furniture, but it's actually from Next, so it's a lovely rug, but the colour of it just doesn't like match the vibe of my room anymore. So I'm very torn between getting a cream rug or maybe just completely black. Not really sure what I'm going to do, so you guys will obviously see in the next episode whether I get a rug or not. It's going to look so modern, and I'm just excited to have a new fresh room. It'd be really nice to work in here and film in here, because that's the space obviously that's most important to me. So yeah, that is update on episode 2. I actually can't believe that episode 2 we've already started painting. So as soon as my bedroom has been painted, which obviously is the harder area of my room because I've got my bed, my TV cabinet that we're going to have to completely move, and, you know, like my vanity and stuff. But once that's done, we're all good to go. The only thing that I do really want to change is my bed. I do really want to get a new bed, and I've had my grey bed now. It's like a grey marl colour, like, yeah, a grey marl bed. It's like a grey material. Again, I'm trying to step away from this grey, so I am on the hunt for a new bed, like a new beautiful headboard. I don't know whether to go for like a really neutral bed or whether to go for like a black velvet, since I've got really light walls. I'm not too sure what I'm going to do yet. Again, it's that decision of, do I go for cream or do I go for black? Because I've obviously got this colour wall, which I feel like you can't really tell in this light, but this is just obviously a lot lighter and warmer than my grey that I had in my room. The grey that I had in my room was very bluey tone. I think once everything's been painted, I can really tell what vibe I'm going to go for in my bedroom. So in episode 3, this is episode 2. So basically in the next episode, which will be episode 3, you will hopefully be able to see the transformation of my bedroom part. Maybe get a new bed in the future, but for now we're just going to paint my room. I'm going to try and spruce it up with some pillows. That's the only area that's not going to look that much different, if you get what I mean. Like, it's not going to have much of a change. The main part of my room that's going to change the most is my living area, which is, if I'm honest, the main part of my filming area as well. That's the plan for the next episode. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you have any ideas and inspo for my bed, because I need all the help I can get. If there's any really pretty like pillows to tie in with the cream, the bed that I've got now would match my brother's room. So yeah, God knows what I'm going to be doing, but that is it for episode 2 of my room makeover. I do hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if there's any ideas and what you think I should do. If there's anything I should add, I'd love to hear your thoughts. And I'm going to love you and leave you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.